All right, so besides graphing a table of values, you can also graph different functions on Desmos. So for example, these points create the graph of x over 6, right? I have this line, I take all my outputs and my inputs and divide by 6. So the way you can do this is two ways. You can either put your input as x and your output is this f of x, or you can put your input as x and your output as y, okay? So again, x is your input, y is your output. Not really any different. You can do all sorts of other functions. You can do parabolas if you're familiar with those. You could do trig functions if you're familiar with those. If you're not, that's okay. But go ahead, experiment, graph a few functions on Desmos. And as you can see, you can zoom out, zoom in to be able to see all your functions clearly. You can move the page around so you can kind of look at different points of the graph. And really convenient, if you click on your graph, you can go to any point and kind of see specific points that are important to the graph. Okay, so go ahead, graph different functions, just try them out. Take a screenshot of your screen and then upload that on Dreamseedo so I know that you were able to practice a little bit with Desmos.